Today we are going to study boiler accessories. What is boiler accessories? Boiler accessories are those engineering devices which are installed along with a boiler to improve the operating condition and overall efficiency of the boiler plant. Boiler accessories are auxiliary part, extra helping, which are required for smooth running of a boiler and to increase the efficiency of the boiler. Boiler accessories providing supplementary or additional help and support. Okay. Accessories are not compulsory but optional as per Indian Boiler Regulation IBR Act. Okay. If defective accessories are used, then they will reduce only thermal efficiency of a boiler. Defective accessories not create any accident at boiler plant. They only reduce the overall efficiency of the thermal plant. Okay. Now we learn some important boiler accessories. First, economizer. Economizer is a device in which the feed water is heated before it enters into a boiler. The heat being taken from the waste flue gases of the boiler. Actually, an economizer is a device used to heat feed water by utilizing the heat in the exhaust flue gases before leaving to the chimney. Okay. The economizer improves the economy, that means save money, of the steam boiler. Okay. Now, location of economizer. It is placed in path of waste flue gases between the boiler and the chimney. Okay. Next, superheater. The function of a superheater is to make saturated steam to superheated steam. purpose of superheater is to increase the temperature of saturated steam without rising its pressure. Okay. Now, location of superheater. It is placed within the boiler or it is located in the path of the hot flue gases from the furnace. Okay. Next accessories, air preheater. The function of an air preheater is to preheat the air before passing through the boiler furnace. The function of the air preheater is to increase the temperature of air before enter the furnace. Air preheater preheats air to be supplied to the furnace. Air preheater preheated air. This preheated air accelerates the conversion and facilitates the burning of the coal. Okay. Now, location of air preheater. The air preheater is installing in path of flue gases between economizer and the chimney. Okay. Next accessories, feed water heater. Feed water heater is a plant in which feed water is heated before it enters into a boiler. The heat being taken from the exhausted steam of steam engine cylinder or steam turbines. Actually, a feed water heater is used in a power plant to preheat boiler feed water. Source of heat is exhaust steam from turbine or engine. Okay. Now, location of feed water heater. Feed water heater, it is installed in between the feed pump and boiler cell. Okay. Next accessories, feed pump. Its function is to deliver pressurized feed water to the boiler. Feed pumps are mainly used to deliver feed water into a boiler against boiler steam pressure, because within the boiler, inside of the boiler, steam pressure is high. Today, all boiler feed pump are centrifugal pump type. Okay. Now, location of feed pump. Feed pump is located near the boiler cell. Okay. Next, accessories, steam separator. Function of steam separator is to remove the content water particles from the steam, convey to the steam engine or steam turbine. A steam separator is a device for separating water droplets from the steam when steam going to the steam engine or steam turbine. Okay. Now, location of steam separator. It is fitted before the steam engine or steam turbine in main steam pipe from the boiler. Okay. Next, accessories, steam tap. Its function is to drain away automatically the condensed steam from the steam pipe, steam jacket and steam separator without permitting any steam to escape. Okay. Steam strap are a type of automatic valve that filter condensed steam and non-condensable gases such as air without to allow steam to escape. Okay. Now, location of steam strap. It is connected on the steam pipe after steam jacket and steam separator near to turbine, near to engine. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.